And cantaloupe, where is it? There's no cantaloupe. Ah, I have one. And okay, I think I'm gonna get some avocado. It's expensive. Just some few avocados. 5. Okay, 6. Just 6 pieces. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Grapes. Grapes. Oh, she's rich buying strawberries. Okay, I'm gonna get 1 strawberry or 2. 2 strawberries. And oh yeah, I'm gonna serve potatoes tomorrow. Why so big packs? It's so big packs. Okay, okay. Yeah. Ha, okay, Inday Runing. It's time. Whoa! Here's a lot of. Ah, ah, ah. In. Oh, they're throwing this. What's this? Okay, garbage diving. Later, we will come back. Kiwi. Oh. Iceberg. Let's go grab some iceberg salad. Woo, what's this? No. Gonna get some of this. And I'm gonna make a dessert cream, whipping cream, and some cheese. And brie. I thought I just just this. Want this cheese? It's also, oh, look at this blue. Ow! Get the cheese for salad. And this yogurt, flavored yogurt, stay like this. Just one. And potatoes, because I'm gonna serve just peeled potatoes. Potatoes. Probably 2 is enough. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, maybe 3 to make sure have enough. Let's get 3 up. Okay. And eggs. We don't have eggs anymore. I think I'll just buy a carton.